natin nag-domina in the last 3-4 years dito sa PBA. Iba yung dinadala niya to the table para sa box.
Hindi mo matatawaran ang experience itong si Jared Dillon. He knows they want to end it tonight.
So we take a look at this Photon Tornado Drive brought to you by Photon. Empower your business. Dillinger on top of him. James attacking, creates that space. The step back gets good.
It's one thing to create space, but how long?
And all players have to realize this. Ikaw na napagdaanan mo yan, Dom, na after a tense incident like that, yung Reyes versus Blakely as James Yap hurries that three. Sigurado.
Masakit yan kapag tinuhin mo na ganyan.
Yap. Oh! Hurries that ball to fire starter para dito sa Meralco Bolts. Evans kontra Dillinger. Yap in motion. Cortez now on him.
Meralco guards are switching on James Yap sa Meralco Bolts import.
Baba ulit sa 8 ang hinahabol dito ng Bolts. Being risk looking for Yap. Oh, nice pivot. Reverse layup.
What do you like about
We
James
take a look
Yap?
at this pre-fresh sigaw ng bayan brought to you by Let's see how Blakely will adjust. James gonna pull up.
You gotta help out. Block shots. Not too evident today, but already with 5 steals in the ball game.
Oh, Sandman goes up and away. Yep, and big disconnect for the alley-oop. And yung play, gani-gani na lamang, ano?
That's
Yep,
the effect.
connecting with Ping.
That's the effect naman na napakadaming snaps na iikutan.
Yep, ngayon kontra kay Dillinger. Pilit ipinagpag. Ginawang hasing pa.
So, isang panalo lang, nasa finals na kami. So, yun lang yung mindset ko talaga. Kailangan makatulong sa team.
James, nakita din natin kung gaano ka-efficient yung laro mo ngayon. You know, you're picking your spots, paminsan nasa labas, paminsan nasa loob, at nandun din yung depensa. Gaano kalaki itong oportunidad para sa inyo para manalo ng isa na namang kampyonato?
Well, syempre, ilang beses na kami nasa semis lagi, no? Hindi kami talaga nakapasok sa finals. So, ngayon may chance kami. So, hindi basta namin bibitawan tong pagkakataon na to. And of course, yung game 3 kasi, puro drive ako eh. So, alam ko na pinaghahandaan nila ako. So, ngayon, ginamit ko naman yung jump shot ko.
James, speaking of hindi bumibitaw, yung libo-libong nandito sa loob ng Big Dome at yung milyong-milyong nanonood sa kanilang mga telebisyon ay nag-aabang sa iyong mga pagbate.
Well, of course, thank you sa lahat ng pagsuporta, no, sa Sunmig Coffee Mixers and sa Yapstars din na walang sawa sa King James Yap. So, kita-kita tayo sa finals. Thank you sa pagdasal nyo sa amin and sana mabigyan namin kayo ng magandang series this coming finals.
Congratulations once again, James, and see you guys sa finals.